It was a very long tournament, and indeed it became longer because of the pandemic. We had a lot of issues that crept our way, but still we never cancelled the tournament, so we can consider that itself as a great success, because there were many talks about cancelling it, but no, we just went on. Though the tournament faced a lot of difficulties, personally, professionally, financially, we just went on, and finally here we are on the final day. 5th of December, the last month of the year, we managed to pull it off. We're extremely thankful to the person who inspired us, to whom we tributed this particular tournament, Mr. N. Tyagarajan Naidu, who's a social worker. We're extremely thankful, sir, for you are the reason why this get-together is here tonight, and you will be giving away all the accolades that will be presented. Before we get on with it, at first we would like to thank somebody who joined us, who actually stood with us and partnered with us. We have our partner, Core Physio, and a representative of that, this is Dr. Gopakumar. Hello, Dr. Kumar. If you could just join us right here. Thank you so much. If you could just join us. Come on, Dr. Gopakumar. Just join us and he will get the accolade. We have a memento for Dr. Gopakumar. He's here once again. So all the physio works that happened today are from Core Physio. No matter how many collisions, in fact we had a great number of collisions that happened right in the center of the pitch, but your staff was really up to it. Jerry was his name, and Jerry has left because he's getting late, and he will get a bouquet from us, and of course a token of appreciation from Mr. N. Tyagarajan Naidu for his contribution, for him and his team. Guys, please, a huge round of applause. The physio team for the day. Come in conclusion. The physio team for the day. This is, thank you so much, Dr. Gopakumar. Thank you all. And we look forward to partnering with you on future tournaments as well. Thank you so much. Right, thank you, Doctor. I hope it was a great tournament. You liked it. I look forward to meeting you very soon. So I'll catch up with you very soon. Thank you. This is Dr. Gopakumar. A few words.
Yes, as Mr. Vivek Bhaskar said, I had come for previous matches and of course COVID situations and everything. Yes, that has really, but yes, we had to move on. Yes, so I'm very happy that it's a comeback for us and we had completed the whole thing in the right manner. Thanks to Vivek Bhaskar and of course thanks to Mr. Tyagarajan Naidu. And of course, it's basically win-win situation. Yes. So, and thanks to my whole team who has worked on this. Of course, yeah, they have done the best, and I've seen them, helping the players right from the beginning of the first aid, and taking care of it. And I'm thankful of it, and I'm sure that I will still work on, and I'll still work on, and I'll be working on. Right? Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you. A huge round of applause. That was Dr. Gopakumar from Core Physio.
Ajju, stand there only.
And now a few individual accolades. 4 awards were designed. We had the best goalkeeper, best defender, best striker, and the 4th one is MVP. The most valuable player. 4 awards. At first, we would like to welcome the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Any wild guesses? The best goalkeeper of the tournament is Vicky from Prabha 7. Vicky from Prabha 7 is the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Vicky here? Vicky is coming.
Zero.
Ajit, you wait.
So Vicky from Prabha 7 is the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Vicky, do not go anywhere. Stay right there. And also announcing the best defender of the tournament. The best defender of the tournament from Jamaica 7, it is Vivek.
Vivek, please take the trophy.
Please take the trophy.
And all the winners are picked by two of the most experienced players. I'll show you who they are. A bit suspense later on. This is Vivek here. Vivek is the best defender of the tournament. Come here, Vivek. Vivek from Jamaica 7. The best striker of the tournament is Akshay from Antivirus. Is Antivirus Akshay here? He's not here. And the most valuable player of the tournament is Surya from Gunners FC. Most valuable player of the tournament, Surya from Gunners FC. This is an award. Most promising talent. Okay, three of you come together. No, Surya, don't go. Stay together. I request Noel and Vinod to just join me. Noel and Vinod. Noel and Vinod. Are they here? Okay, Noel is here. Sorry, Noel is here. Where is Vinod? Vinod. Okay, guys, we are looking at two all. Come here, Vinod. Come here. Okay, two of the most experienced players who played at national level. Guys, a huge round of applause because they are the ones who pick the winners. All the individual accolades were picked up by Vinod and Noel. Yeah. So Noel and Vinod, you have picked Vicky, Vivek, Akshay, and Surya. Any specific reasons? He is very weak at it. Okay, you tell me, no problem. Why do you think Vicky is the best goalkeeper? Why?
I hope everyone watched the game.
Everyone watched the game. But I want to ask you one serious question about this. Best defender Vivek. Why is it so? Best defender Vivek, best striker Akshay, and the most valuable player is